Ever wondered about the soaring heights of the Indian aviation industry? It's an exhilarating journey indeed, one marked by significant transformation and remarkable growth over the years. From the first flights of humble propeller-driven aircraft to the modern marvels that grace our skies today, the industry has always been on an upward trajectory. And it's not just about the aircraft. The industry's landscape, its market dynamics, and its key players have all evolved, painting a fascinating tableau of progress and innovation. Stay tuned as we delve into a comprehensive analysis of the current state of the industry. To understand the industry's landscape, let's first examine the market overview. The Indian aviation market is truly an impressive one. As of 2024, the market size is estimated at a staggering $13.89 billion. That's no small feat, and it's only the beginning. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear the projections. By the close of the decade, in 2030, the market size is forecasted to almost double, reaching a projected $26.08 billion. That's a lot of growth in just 6 years, wouldn't you agree? But how is this growth quantified? This is where the compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, comes into play. During the forecast period, which spans from 2024 to 2030, the industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 11.08%. This rate is a significant indicator of the industry's health and the potential it holds for investment and development. This growth doesn't just happen. It's driven by various factors such as increasing air passenger traffic, economic growth, and the demand for sustainable aircraft. With more people flying than ever before and the economy on an upward trajectory, the aviation industry is in a prime position to capitalize on these trends. The market is divided into 3 segments: commercial aviation, general aviation, and military aviation. Among these, commercial aviation holds the lion's share, reflecting the growing demand for air travel for business and leisure. Meanwhile, the military aviation segment is predicted to be the fastest growing, hinting at a robust defense sector. Overall, the market is moderately consolidated, with key players like Airbus SE, ATR, Dassault Aviation, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and Lockheed Martin Corporation leading the charge. These companies together occupy over 58% of the market share, shaping the future of Indian aviation with their innovative technologies and services. With this rapid growth, the Indian skies are indeed busier than ever. Now let's shift our focus to the key trends shaping this industry. Commercial aviation is the dominant player in the Indian aviation market. Taking the lion's share of the industry, it held a staggering 85.76% value share as of 2023. This dominance is driven by a surge in air passenger traffic, a testament to the growing economic prosperity and increased mobility of India's population. Next, we turn our attention to the aircraft themselves. The preference for narrow-body aircraft stands out in the Indian skies. These aircraft are favored for their operational flexibility and lower operating costs. They can easily cater to short-haul and medium-haul routes, which form a significant portion of the air traffic in India. Moreover, their fuel efficiency aligns well with the industry's drive towards sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Lastly, let's talk about the key players in the market. Airbus SE has emerged as the market leader with a whopping 69.28% share in 2022. This European multinational aerospace corporation offers a wide range of products across commercial, military, and general aviation sectors. Its stronghold in the Indian aviation market is a reflection of its global reputation for innovation, quality, and reliability. However, it's not just about the present. These trends are also shaping the future of the industry. The dominance of commercial aviation is expected to continue with the increasing air passenger traffic. The preference for narrow-body aircraft is only likely to intensify as the industry doubles down on sustainability efforts. As for Airbus SE, its market leadership is set to be challenged and tested as other global and local players strive to make their mark in this rapidly expanding market. These trends are not just shaping the present but are also paving the way for the future. Speaking of the future, let's peek into what lies ahead for the Indian aviation industry. The next half-decade is looking promising, with an expected total of 1,966 aircraft deliveries between 2024 and 2030. This surge in deliveries is anticipated to meet the fast-growing demand for air travel, largely driven by economic growth and an increasingly affluent middle-income population. Now, let's talk about passenger traffic. As the Indian economy continues to expand and the middle-income population grows, we're anticipating a significant increase in air passenger traffic. This is a trend that's not just unique to India, but one that we're seeing globally. However, in India, the effect is expected to be particularly pronounced due to the country's robust economic development and expanding middle class. And what's driving all this growth? A combination of factors, really. Firstly, there's the increasing air passenger traffic. More and more people are choosing to fly, whether for business or leisure, and this trend shows no signs of slowing down. Secondly, we're seeing a recovery to pre-pandemic levels. The aviation industry, like many others, took a hit during the global pandemic, but it's now bouncing back, and we expect this recovery to continue. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we're seeing a trend towards sustainability in the aviation industry. Airlines are increasingly replacing their existing aircraft with advanced, more sustainable models. This shift towards greener, more efficient aircraft is not only good for the environment, but it's also proving to be good for business. Airline companies are finding that these new models are more cost-effective in the long run, thanks to their lower operating costs. So, to sum up, the future of the Indian aviation industry looks bright. With an increase in aircraft deliveries, a rise in passenger traffic, and a shift towards sustainability, the industry is poised for significant growth. With these projections, the Indian aviation industry is set to reach new heights. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Indian aviation industry. We've taken a deep dive into its ebbs and flows, its triumphs and challenges, and what a fascinating journey it's been. We've learned about the industry's impressive growth trajectory from an estimated $13.89 billion in 2024 to a projected $26.08 billion by 2030 at a compound annual growth rate of 11.08%. We've also discovered the dominance of commercial aviation in the market, holding a staggering 85.76% value share in 2023. We've highlighted the preference for narrow-body aircraft for their flexibility in fleet management and lower operating costs. We've celebrated the market leadership of Airbus SE with a 69.28% share in 2022, offering a wide range of products across commercial, military, and general aviation sectors. And we've looked to the future, with total aircraft deliveries during the forecast period expected to be 1,966, and economic growth and an increasing middle-income population fueling the growth of air passenger traffic. The industry is on the cusp of transformation, driven by increasing air passenger traffic, recovery to pre-pandemic levels, and the replacement of existing aircraft with advanced sustainable models. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates.